Hey everyone, welcome back to Shona Kid. Like and subscribe to the channel before we began. Once upon a time, tucked away between rolling hills and lush green forests, there was a quaint village named Willowbrook. It was a serene place where the mornings were filled with the sweet songs of chirping birds, and the evenings shimmered beneath a blanket of twinkling stars. The village was home to a merry group of individuals, all of whom relied on the wisdom of 3 wise elders. These elders were Granny Maple, a gentle soul who knew every story of the land; Old Man Oak, a burly fellow with a deep voice who could speak to animals; and Madam Birch, a sprightly lady whose laugh was as bright as sunshine and knew all about herbs and plants. One bright morning, the children of the village gathered at the big oak tree for their daily story time with the elders. But that morning was to be different. Granny Maple, with her kind eyes and warm smile, announced a mystery that needed solving. "Children," she began, "last night the moon shone brightly upon the fields, yet something strange went unseen by us. The river's flow was reversed, sending the fish upstream instead of down. An ancient charm might be at work, and it's up to us to uncover it." The children gasped in surprise. How could a river change its course? Old Man Oak then spoke. "Ah, the river song. She must have sung to the wrong wind. We must listen closely, children, to find her true note." Madam Birch chimed in. "But, dear children, remember, the answer might lay in the fields, for the herbs never lie. They feel everything." And so, with wide eyes and eager hearts, the children set about their quest. They visited the river's edge, crouching down to listen to the burbling water. Sophie, the youngest, placed her ear to the ground and heard something unusual, a soft, melodic note that seemed out of place. Back at the village, the children relayed their discovery. "An odd melody," they exclaimed in unison. Madam Birch nodded knowingly. "The white daisy fields, they sing when they're blooming. Our little friend Afina, the field mouse, often said so." To the daisy fields they went, following the mysterious tune. As they approached, the daisies shimmered and swayed, revealing an ancient stone with runes nestled among them. "This is old magic," Old Man Oak whispered, tracing the runes with a twig. The elders and children gathered around, forming a circle. They chanted softly, waking the magic of the stone. Slowly, a gentle breeze began to blow, harmonizing with the river's song. Just like that, the river found its true course once more. An unexpected twist had been solved with teamwork and curiosity, keeping the magic of Willowbrook alive with laughter and stories, long into the starry night. Hope to see you again for another wonderful story. Bye.